In this video, I'll demo the new Conditional Access Optimization Agent in Microsoft Entra. This agent helps you keep your conditional access policies up to date by automatically scanning your tenant for new users, apps, and agents that aren't covered by existing policies. When it finds gaps, it recommends the appropriate policy assignments and next steps for you to review and approve, helping ensure consistent protection as your environment changes. Let's walk through the process of setting up the agent in the Microsoft Entra Admin Center for its first run. You'll need at least Security Admin Role access and Microsoft Security Copilot Security Compute Units (SCUs) provisioned for your tenant. From the homepage, select Entra Agents to see which agents are available. Then select View Details under the Conditional Access Optimization Agent. No configuration is required here, but be sure to review the details listed to ensure you have the necessary prerequisites in place. Select Start Agent to close this pane. The agent will automatically run once installed. Now that the agent has been successfully deployed, it will begin scanning your tenant for conditional access coverage gaps and generate recommendations you can review and approve. In the meantime, we can adjust a few settings. You can manually run the agent at any time by toggling the trigger settings off and on. By default, it runs automatically every 24 hours. The Microsoft Entra Objects to Monitor section allows you to specify which objects the agent monitors when generating conditional access policy suggestions. By default, it evaluates users, applications, and agent identities. The agent creates new policies in report-only mode by default. You can adjust this setting to require admin approval of the new policy before it's created. You can also configure the agent to send Teams notifications to pre-selected recipients. When enabled, recipients will receive notifications when new agent suggestions are available. On by default, the phased rollout setting allows the agent to roll out policies in phases when it creates new policies in report-only mode. This allows you to monitor the effects of the new policy. The Identity and Permissions section shows the permissions the agent needs to access data and take certain actions. Here you can find which account the agent is connected to, or you can create an agent identity to switch from the agent running in a specific user account to running an agent identity. The Role-Based Access section allows you to manage agent access after it has been deployed. If your organization uses ServiceNow, you can have the agent create a change request by enabling ServiceNow ticketing. With the optional Custom Instructions setting, you can tailor the agent's behavior to the unique needs of your organization. This can include internal business processes, internal governance requirements, or specific industry regulations. By selecting Edit Instructions, you can provide a natural language prompt that becomes part of the agent's execution context. The agent will then interpret the instructions and allow you to verify them before saving them. Once saved, they will become an integral part of the agent's operational context, consistently guiding its suggestions and actions moving forward. Once you have reviewed the settings and made any changes, select Save. Now that we've reviewed the available agent settings, let's talk about the other tabs shown on the Agent Overview tab. The Overview is where you can view the Agent Summary, which provides a quick overview of what the agent has found in the last 30 days, including unprotected users discovered, unprotected apps discovered, sign-ins protected, and the total number of SCUs used by the agent. The agent's status is shown in various sections on the Overview page, such as the Agent is active and the About this agent sections. They detail whether the agent is available, its current run status, and any applicable plugins. Under the Recent Suggestions section, you'll see a list of some of the suggestions the agent has found. You get a quick glimpse of the actions taken by the agent, the suggestion status, and the ability to click further into why the agent has made this suggestion by selecting Review Suggestion. We'll discuss this more later. The Recent Activities section tracks the current and past run activity of the agent. Select View All to be taken to the Activities page to view all of the agent's activities. By selecting View Activity next to any of the activities listed in the Activities page, we can get a detailed summary of the agent's full activity and how it calculated the suggestion. In the Agent Activity Map, you can follow the agent's process of looking for policies that can be merged or consolidated, as well as its assessment of policy drift or gaps in policy coverage for users and applications. You can view the list of applications or users directly from the map if the agent suggested adding specific users or apps to a policy. For example, if I select the 42 users link in this activity card, a pop-out opens showing the 42 users the agent identified as not being included in the policy. The details from the agent's full activity listed in the summary and the activity map can help you understand the logic behind the suggestions so that you can make an informed decision about whether to apply the suggestion or not. Now, let's take a dive into the Suggestions tab, where you can view all of the agent's suggestions and review and approve them. Selecting Review Suggestion for a suggested next step allows you to view more details about that recommendation. In the Policy Details section, you'll see an AI-generated overview that summarizes the recommended policy and describes its potential impact on your environment. To dive deeper into the impacts the policy may have on your users, select the Policy Impact tab. Below the summary box, the policy details that are used in the policy are listed. At the top of the page, you can choose to edit the policy, chat with the agent, duplicate the policy, download it as a JSON file, or delete it. Below the policy suggestion summary, you have the option to review policy changes suggested by the agent, turn on the suggested policy, mark the suggestion as reviewed, snooze the suggestion for 14 days, view the agent's full activity, which navigates to the node map we talked about earlier, and add notes about the suggestion for other admins to review. Snoozing a suggestion would not be done in conjunction with marking something as reviewed. It would be either or. Remember, always review the policy details and potential impact before approving a suggestion or switching a report-only policy into active enforcement. And keep in mind that the options available in the policy suggestion details vary depending on the type of suggestion made by the agent. Circling back on the Chat with Agent feature, you can select it to open a new chat pane on the right side of the screen. You can ask questions, prioritize suggestions, and edit policies as if you were working with a digital colleague. The Conditional Access Optimization Agent helps you ensure that all users, apps, and agent identities are protected by conditional access policies. It then makes suggestions for you to review and act on that are based on Microsoft's learnings and zero-trust best practices. To learn more about getting started with the agent, visit this Microsoft Entra Learn document at aka.ms/getting-started-CA Optimization Agent. You can also check out this Microsoft Mechanics video on the added value of the agent plus Security Copilot in Microsoft Entra by visiting aka.ms/CA Optimization Agent Overview video. Microsoft Security.